Welcome back everybody to This versus That, and today we're going to be comparing the Ronsonol lighter fluid to the Zippo brand lighter fluid and see which one of those has the longest burn time. Okay, so let's just jump right in here. I'm going to go ahead and start putting the fluids into the lighter, and we're going to do the same thing as we did last time when we was comparing the naphtha versus the Zippo lighter fluid. And we're going to start off with the Zippo lighter fluid in number 1 and the Ronson lighter fluid in the number 2. And then as we go, we're going to alternate lighters back and forth. That way, if there's any differences between the lighters, that'll kind of average out and we can truly see what the lighter fluid itself is doing as far as burn time. Also, just like whenever we was comparing the naphtha, we'll be using 2 milliliters for each test. The average for the Zippo fluid was 9.96 minutes, and for the Ronsonol it was 10.08. But looking at the standard deviations for both, they're both right at 2.1. Moving on and looking at the run chart, we can see that both the Zippo fluid and the Ronsonol fluid started off pretty low. Once again, I think this is the same thing we saw in our last test with the naphtha. It's just the Zippo Lighter isn't saturated yet, because we see the very next test both of them are back up equal, but they're just kind of bouncing around there. It looks like the Zippo Lighter fluid is a little more consistent, but both of them hovering right around the same. And then if we look at the interval plot, we can see that the confidence intervals aren't separated; they both overlap. So what that means is we can say statistically we are 95% confident that there is absolutely no statistical difference between the Zippo fluid and the Ronsonol fluid. So once again, if we're looking at burn time alone, the two fluids are very comparable, and there's really absolutely no difference. Well, that concludes the video. As before, if you have any other ideas or suggestions on things to compare, I'd love to hear it. And thanks for watching.